Welcome to Top 5 Verdict. The best airbrush kit is probably one of the most versatile tools you can have in your arsenal, whether you're a seasoned artist or just starting out. Today, we're diving deep into the world of airbrushes, exploring their features, and helping you decide if this is the right tool for your creative journey. We'll cover everything from the basics to advanced techniques, so you can make an informed decision and start creating stunning artwork. Number 5. REVLON One-Step Volumizer Hair Dryer and Styler. This one-step blow-dryer brush allows you to style, dry, and volumize your hair simultaneously. It provides maximum drying power while reducing frizz by 30% and minimizing hair damage. This makes it easier to achieve salon-quality blowouts at home. The unique oval brush design helps smooth your hair, while the rounded edges create volume and curled ends. For extra lift at the roots, hold it under the roots for a few seconds. This tool is designed to give you the perfect style. Ionic technology promotes fast drying, and the ceramic coating protects your hair from overstyling. The even heat distribution penetrates the hair quickly, drying it from the inside out. This helps to reduce damage while styling. It offers 3 heat speed settings with a cool option, allowing you to customize the styling to your hair's needs. This flexibility ensures you can achieve your desired look with ease and precision. The product now features an enhanced motor for extended life. This improvement ensures the product's durability and longevity, providing you with reliable performance over time. What we like. This hair dryer and styler is a game changer for anyone who wants a salon-quality blowout at home. It combines drying and styling in one step, saving you time and effort. If you're always on the go or simply want to simplify your routine, you should consider this. It's designed to give you smooth, voluminous hair with less heat damage. What people say. It dries and styles my hair at the same time, which saves me a lot of time. It leaves my hair smooth, shiny, and with great volume. Very easy to use and lightweight. It also helps reduce frizz. It has multiple heat settings, works really well, and, especially for the price, it's a fantastic option. Dries hair quickly and gently, with multiple settings. Leaves my hair very smooth and shiny every time, and I haven't seen any damaged split ends yet from using it. Number 4. Master Airbrush G233 Pro Airbrush Kit. Introducing the Master Airbrush G233 Pro, a precision dual-action airbrush kit. This kit comes with 3 nozzle sets, making it incredibly versatile for various applications. The G233 Pro includes 0.2, 0.3, and 0.5 mm nozzle sets. This allows the user to achieve everything from extra fine detail to wider background sprays. This airbrush kit is perfect for beginners and advanced artists alike. It's ideal for hobbies, crafts, auto graphics, and even cake decorating. The airbrush features a cutaway handle for quick cleaning. The fluid control knob provides easy adjustment of paint flow. Master Airbrush is an industry leader, and this product comes with a 2-year manufacturer warranty. Buy with confidence knowing you're getting a quality product. What we like. This airbrush kit offers incredible versatility with its multiple nozzle sizes. The dual-action control gives you precise command over your paint flow. If you're a beginner or an experienced artist looking for a reliable airbrush for various projects, you should consider this. It's perfect for everything from fine detail work to broader coverage. What people say. The airbrush is easy to use and clean. It works perfectly for my needs. The airbrush is well made and durable. Number 3. Master Airbrush Kit with Mini Air Compressor. This airbrush kit comes with everything you need: a mini compressor, a dual-action gravity feed airbrush, an air hose, and a guidebook. It's perfect for both beginners and professionals. This kit is suitable for a wide range of applications. You can use it for miniature painting, model cars, makeup, cake decorating, nail art, crafts, and other hobbies. The dual-action airbrush gives you precise control over the paint flow and spray pattern. The gravity feed design ensures a consistent paint delivery, making your work smoother. The mini compressor is compact and portable, so you can take it anywhere. It delivers reliable air pressure for smooth and consistent operation. This airbrush compressor kit is designed to be easy to clean and maintain, ensuring its longevity. It's great for custom automotive work, cosmetics, and food decoration. What we like. This kit is perfect for those who need a complete, portable setup. The included mini compressor makes it easy to take your airbrushing on the go. If you're into model painting, nail art, or crafts and need a convenient, all-in-one solution, you should consider this. It's designed to be easy to use and maintain, making it ideal for beginners. What people say. Makes a huge difference in the quality of the paint finishing on model car parts. The compressor works great and it's somewhat quiet, it has a pressure adjustment but no indication of PSI. Taking it apart to clean is fairly easy with common sense. Number 2. Gocheer Airbrush Kit with Air Compressor. This airbrush kit is perfect for both beginners and experts. It's designed for a variety of applications, making it a versatile tool for your creative projects. Featuring 40 psi air pressure and adjustable settings, this kit provides a 60% performance boost. You can easily adjust the pressure to achieve the desired effect on your artwork. The dual-action design allows for precise control over fluid and air. This feature helps you avoid wasting paint and achieve detailed results. Whether you're into painting, modeling, or cake decorating, this kit is ideal. It's also great for nail art and makeup, making it a comprehensive solution for various artistic needs. The airbrush features an adjustable tailstock and comes with different nozzle sizes. This ensures smooth operation and allows you to create fine lines with ease. The kit includes everything you need, such as an oil-water separator and cleaning tools. This comprehensive set ensures you have all the necessary components for your projects. We are committed to providing excellent customer service. If you encounter any issues, we're here to help you resolve them promptly. What we like. This airbrush kit offers high-pressure performance and adjustable settings for a wide range of applications. The non-clogging design ensures smooth, consistent results. If you're looking for an airbrush that can handle detailed work in larger areas, you should consider this. It's ideal for various projects, from model painting to cake decorating. What people say. The compressor kicks out a steady 40 psi, which sounds uber technical, but in practice, it means you'll get a nice smooth, even spray without sputters. The 3 nozzle sizes, 0.2, 0.3, 0.5 mm, give me options depending on whether I'm doing fine detail work or covering larger areas. It's easy to clean thanks to the included kit, and it hasn't clogged on me yet. Number 1. Master Airbrush G233 Pro Airbrush Kit. This is the Master Airbrush G233 Pro, a precision dual-action gravity feed airbrush. It comes with 3 nozzle set sizes, making it incredibly versatile for various applications. It's perfect for both beginners and experienced artists. The kit includes 0.2, 0.3, and 0.5 mm fluid tip setups. This allows the user to achieve extra fine detail, overall spray, or wide background spray. It's designed for a wide range of projects. This airbrush is ideal for hobbies, crafts, auto graphics, temporary tattoos, and cake decorating. It works well with most airbrushing applications and paint types. It's a great all-purpose tool. The airbrush features a cutaway handle for quick cleaning. The fluid control knob provides easy trigger adjustment and paint flow control. It also includes an airflow control valve. Master Airbrush is an industry leader in airbrush supplies. You can buy with confidence knowing it's backed by a trusted brand. It also comes with a 2-year manufacturer warranty. The kit includes a 6-foot braided air hose with 1/8 fittings. This ensures you have everything you need to get started. It's a comprehensive solution for all your airbrushing needs. What we like. This airbrush kit includes a braided air hose for added convenience and durability. The multiple nozzle sizes and dual-action control provide precision and versatility. If you need a reliable airbrush kit with all the essentials, you should consider this. It's a great choice for artists of all skill levels. What people say. The features. This thing has typically run around $150 to $300 for brands like Iwata and Harder and Steinbeck. Easy to use, has all those expensive features other top brands have at a ridiculously low price. High quality and an excellent kit with 3 different size needles. Great as a starter set or in addition for professionals. Easy clean. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.